Everybody, this is Kim and your girl is back again with another candle review. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, shout out to you. Thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out, vlogs, Bath and Body Works, candle reviews, whatever it is, you watching everything. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, I keep posting. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Appreciate it. Don't forget, y'all, to subscribe. Hit that bell, thumbs up the video, and leave your girl some comments. This video is gonna be on, had to look at it, mint chocolate chip milkshake. Mint chocolate chip milkshake candle. Yay, yay, yay. As y'all see, it's just a sticker, a label, front half label with a mint green colored wax. And this candle did come with a dust cover. I asked my store for a lid. They gave me these. My store actually had extra lids. That's all I had to do was ask for them. I know some people's stores, they just come in like this with just the dust cover. Bath and Body Works is still having issues with their lids. That's the reason why with the semi-annual sale collection, most of the candles that came out for this particular sale did not come with lids. So, or if you do want a lid for your candle, make sure you ask the sales associate. They may have some. So yeah, I got a white lid for mine, and it actually looks really good on there. Or you might just have some extra lids from some older candles. You never know. So yeah, the scent notes. The scent notes for this candle is vanilla mint ice cream, chocolate chips, and cream. And this candle is amazing. I absolutely love this candle. I get the mint, I get the cream, I get a slight chocolate, but to me this is more of a mint like. If you know what mint ice cream smells like, that's this candle. It's, to me, it's spot on. Absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it. Only thing, the throw is medium. It's just the average throw. Not to say that it's a bad candle, but if you're the type of person like myself, I love powerhouse. I love candles that throw like a champ. I love candles that I could burn for 2 hours and then blow it out and I could still smell it around my house. This one is just a medium throw. Yes, I could smell it, but only in the room. Now, if I'm in a nice size room, yes, I can still smell it. But if I go outside of that room, I cannot smell it. If I come back in there, yes, it is a nice, creamy, mint-like scent. This is nice. It's a creamy mint, not just that strong, not just that strong chocolate like that. What is it called? You know, that chocolate mint candy. I don't know. I forgot the name of it. Mint chocolate or whatever. It's not like that. This is more creamy, like ice cream. This candle is actually really good, and I actually like it. And yes, this candle has came out before. It's just that, you know, I don't have it. This is my first time buying it as well as smelling it. I know it came out some years ago, but I don't even think I was like heavy into collecting candles and really buying candles at the time that this candle came out. But now your girl is all in. I'm just saying, I'm all in with the candles, with the collecting, with the, you know, smelling them and burning them. Your girl is all in now. But This one is amazing. It's amazing. Is it backup worthy? Is it backup worthy? I'm kind of on the fence. Even though, you know, I initially bought 2 candles. My backup number is 3. My hoard number is 6. No, it is not a hoard candle for me. But I could... Okay. What do I think about what is it? Mint chocolate chip milkshake candle. One, I think it's a very long name. 2, yes, I like the candle. As y'all do know, my hoard number is 6. My backup number is 3. So I did get backups. And the reason why is because to me, these new candles this season is burning very, very hot. If you burn your candles like I do, normally I burn 1 candle a whole day. This candle will be gone in maybe 2 days, maybe 2.5 days. This candle might be gone. So that's the reason why I decided to go ahead and get a 3rd one. I initially bought 2 at the same time, and I decided to just buy another one. But I like it. I recommend it. It's just a medium throw mushroom. Oh my God, the wicks mushroom. So make sure you trim your wicks. Make sure you trim your wicks, because like I said, this candle burns hot. But that's basically all I have to say about this mint chocolate chip milkshake candle. Super long name, but I'm just saying. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you get this candle on semi-annual sale or before semi-annual sale? What do you think about this candle? Is it a backup for you or a hoard for you? Let me know that in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and again, leave comments, follow your girl on Instagram, hit the notification bell. I got a lot. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right.